Hi, my name is Lexa Moyer, and today I'm going to be explaining a second grade math word problem. I'm going to start out by reading the goal. So like I said, we are going to be working with second grade, and the goal is students will solve a two-digit addition word problem using base 10 blocks, a place value mat that has a hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. They'll be solving this problem by using counting techniques, the make 10 approach, the place value approach, and by regrouping. So before I begin by reading the word problem, I'm going to explain some common misconceptions that second grade students might have when solving this kind of problem. The first is that they need to always remember to start in the ones place. Some students might start in the tens place. It's important to always start in the ones place due to regrouping. Another important misconception that needs to be addressed is that students need to be aware of that if you have 10 ones units, then you need to regroup them and trade that in for a tens unit. So 10 ones units is the same as 1 10 unit. Also, if you have 10 tens, then that needs to be regrouped and traded in for a hundreds unit. So 10 ones needs to be grouped and traded in for a tens unit, and 10 tens units need to be regrouped and traded in for a hundreds units. That's important to always keep in mind. Now let's begin by reading the math word problem. So, this summer, a camp had 75 boys and 48 girls. How many campers were there all together at the camp? So, let's begin by writing this out. So, we want to know how many boys and how many girls there were all together. So we want to find the total, or the sum. So let's using the information that we know. So we have 75 boys and 48 girls, and we want to find the sum, or the total. So let's write, it looks like this, 75 plus 48. Now, using our place value mat and our base 10 blocks, let's start with 75. So starting in the ones unit, let's count out by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now counting by tens. It's important to know how to count by tens because it's faster than counting by ones. So let's count out 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens is 70, and 5 ones is 5, so that's 75. Now let's count out the 48, starting in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now let's count out 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens and 8 ones is 48. So now, let's start in the ones place. And remember that if you have 10 ones, then you need to regroup and trade that in for a tens unit. So let's count out how many we had in the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Sorry, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ones. So you can't have that many in the ones place. So we need to regroup 10 of them and trade that in for a tens unit. So we had 13 ones. We had 13 ones. We're going to regroup 10 of those and trade them in for a tens unit. So now let's go to the tens place. We have, let's count how many we have in the tens place. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. So let's grab 10 of these because since we had 12 tens units, we need to regroup 10 of those and bring them over to the hundreds place. So now we have a 100s unit So, using regrouping, we have 3 ones, 2 tens, and 1 100. So, we know that 75 plus 48 is 123 because you have 1 100s unit, 2 tens unit, and 3 ones units. So now we learn how to solve a 2 two-digit addition math word problem.